Hi, Edwin here, and in this video I want to show you FBAzonPoster, a plugin Mike and I created because Mike was creating Facebook pages with Amazon products on it, and he was doing it manually, and I thought, well, I can automate that. So what I created was FBAzonPoster. It's a very easy way to add Amazon products to your Facebook pages, and you can use it manually or you can use it on autopilot, and I'm going to show you what it does. This is a Facebook page that I created just for test, and there's nothing on here except this test post. And let me refresh it so you can see it, and as you see, there's nothing else except that test. Okay, I installed the plugin FBAzonPoster and entered the options. That's just a matter of adding an API key, the license that you got from me, and don't worry, this one won't work, and the API keys from Amazon, and the app ID and secret key from Facebook, and I show in detail how to get that, but it's nothing to worry about. It's really easy, a matter of entering 3 things and then you're done at Facebook, and you got the details that you need. So there's no need to worry about creating a Facebook app or something like that, because really it's just a matter of entering 3 details, your URL from the site, and making up a name for the app, and that's it. So that's really easy. After you enter that, you go to the post part, and as you see over here, there's a connect with Facebook button. If it's the very first time that you use the plugin, you will be asked to allow the plugin to post and manage pages on your behalf. And when you do that, you are taken to Facebook and you get a question: do you want to give the plugin permission to post on your behalf? And when you of course allow, because otherwise it won't work, but if you allow, then you're directed back to the page where you install the plugin, and this is on your side. So just to be clear, this is not in our environment, on our host. No, this is on your host, on your account. So you're directed back to your site, and then what you will see is an overview of all your pages, and this is my overview, and then you have the option to add products manually or to create a campaign. Let me first show you manually. When you choose that, you get a search box for Amazon. You can enter a keyword and other optional other selections. So if you want to make sure that the product that you're looking for is more specific, then you can use that, and you can also say, no, I just want a global idea about some products. But for instance, if you want a juicer and you want it above 100, if you use prices, then you need to enter a category, because otherwise Amazon doesn't give the details that you want. Okay, if you click submit, the plugin goes out, and you saw it was very fast, and it finds products that meet your criteria, the keyword and the category in this case, and the prices, because I wanted products above $100, so no product over here will be less. And when I select one, I'm getting a new page, and that says post to Facebook, and I have title, message, the type of post, and an Amazon idea. Well, the title is the one that you want in the title of the post. The message is the message, of course. Type of post, image or message, and message will give you an image with a thumbnail and the link in it, and everywhere where you click it will have the link. An image, then it will be the image, and it will be added to your images, and then you need to enter the URL in the message. But in this version It's not here, but I will enter, or I will add the URL by default to the message, so you can remove that or leave it if you want. Amazon idea, of course this will be your idea, in this case this is mine, and I entered this one as a field because I can imagine that if you have more than one Facebook page that you want to use a tracking idea. So this can be your associate ID, but it can also be a tracking idea, and I highly advise you to use tracking idea just for this, because then you know if this plugin was any helpful to you. And of course I would like to hear that if you have any success with it, and I'm sure you will, but love to hear it, and then you can enter a tracking idea at this point. But let me just keep it on my default idea. When I hit submit, and I didn't change anything, but of course I was free to change anything that I like. It goes out to Facebook and it posted that product to the fan page. And let's check it out if indeed that happened. And here we are again on the same test page that I was before, and let me go to that one and refresh it so you know it is indeed the same. And you see over here the juicer, the brief fill, and over here was the text. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but everywhere where I am here in this area, it's my affiliate link, and when I click it, the user or the visitor is directed to that Amazon page with my affiliate link. So that is the manual part. And let me go back to the add campaign part. Same type of setup, keywords, of course for Amazon to find the products that you want, category, minimum price, maximum price. But over here there are some other questions about what should the plugin do. How often should the plugin post products? Every hour, every 6 hours, every 12 hours, every day, every other day, once a week. I'm not sure if I need to enter more options over here. Maybe I will when I get the request for it. Maybe you have a fan page that you only want to post once a month, or maybe you want to post once every fortnight. So I will give it some thought, and based upon the questions that I get back, I will change this. So that's totally in development at this moment. So feel free to give any comments, feedback, etc., etc. Duplicate products. What I mean with this is if the plugin finds products with your criteria, the keywords, the category, etc., etc., it finds a certain number of products. But it can happen that a product is found again. So the question is, should the plugin post the same product when it finds it again on your Facebook page? And if you say don't post again, then it won't post again, and if you say ignore, then it will post whatever it finds. Type of post, again, image or a message, and over here you can enter a message, and this is version 1.0, and I will add the ability to create spin text, so you can change the text all over, and that will be, well, I'm working on it, and it's Friday today, so I'm sure it will be finished by Saturday, Sunday at the latest, so that will be in it as well. And again, a tracking ID that you can use, and when you hit submit, then the campaign is created and it will post upon your criteria. So every hour, every 6 hours, or whatever, what you said that the timing should be. Over here is a manage part, and over here you can change the campaigns that you created, and you can see the keywords, and of course you can delete them, and if you delete them, then the products won't be posted anymore to that page. As with Facebook, any post that you made with the plugin, you can always say, I want to delete it, if you're not happy with it. So that's always an option, and then it's gone. So I hope you see the possibilities of the plugin. I'm sure you're going to like it. Mike likes it very much. He already has a head start with it by using it manually, but now I'm sure he will create a lot more pages, and I think I will follow his example and start creating these pages, and I hope you will join us. Okay, this was Edwin. Thank you very much for joining. Bye bye.